So, first of all, we're inside of it. This is how it looks. And this is the first problem right here. It snapped. And second, of course, I used some cheap plastic. You can see it all there. But this is what happened to it. You can literally just pull it apart. I did put it on a base. I have all these brackets on here. And it's about like 8 by 12. I did all these connections. It was working fine, but first I think it's on a hill. And I didn't get to put a door on it. I didn't have time, and I regret it because it literally blew up. Heard it from inside. Not cool. But I plan to put my clones. I started some. Hopefully, they come back. And then I plan to expand it to this area a little bit more under the trees, where I plan to put my red Japanese maple seedlings and the chicken coop. See how that goes. But yeah, this year we'll be tearing this whole thing down, starting from scratch. We're gonna save this wall right here. It's pretty good. Not really going anywhere. Oh, and before I go, this is my propagating box. You can see in there. This is the first time I try this outside, so we'll see how they do in the spring. But some of them look pretty good. The boxwood right here looks pretty good. And yeah, so I'll be back with some updates. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.